3D Printing UV Resin Series. L6211 Ultra-Low Viscosity 150 to 250 CPS. Very suitable for mercury lamp. LED lamp curing. Low energy curing. Low odor. Good color addition. L6290 High Flexibility. Tensile rate over 400%. Good resilience. L6606 is suitable for 3D printing with high hardness, high strength, and high toughness structural parts. L6136 moderately soft and hard, fast response, good adhesion between layers, low shrinkage. UV 3D printing technology is widely used in the production of prototypes such as automobiles, medical equipment, electronic products, architectural models, toys, jewelry, etc. Small models, various personalized DIY design, dentistry, 3D education promotion, and other fields.